Today, I want to talk to you about what to expect and what to avoid when searching for a home on the internet. Hi, this is Tom Olszewski with Team Olszewski. First off, when searching for homes on the internet, not all sites have all of the listings. Websites such as our website, findyourdreamhome.com, are tied directly to the multiple listing service and are updated frequently. Sites such as ours have access to the most up-to-date information on homes currently for sale. Some websites like Zillow are renowned for having outdated information. It wouldn't be the first time when a client called all excited about the home they found, only to find out it sold 2 years ago. What? Homes that go pending or have accepted offers typically no longer show on the site or get sent to you if you have a listing alert set up. Homes that closed escrow and are sold will not show either. Also, some home search sites will show homes that are classified as active. They show, but they're actually contingent. These homes look like they're active, but have offers in place, and you might think they are available, but they are not. This will only set you up for disappointment and potentially a waste of time. We can set up your home search and make sure these homes do not get shown to you. All brokers do not have access to all of the information that we have access to. If inventory is low, we have access to a hidden market of homes that will give you an edge over others. One of these sources is homes that will be coming soon and are not yet on the market. We typically have access to 5 to 10 of these at any given time. So reach out to us if that's of interest. Our systems can be set up to search for homes that meet your specific needs, bedrooms, baths, etc., and different requirements. This includes a specific geographic location or, like a school district. The system also has the ability to email and text you the information so you can make a decision quickly, or if a listing gets updated, you'll get the updated information. Since we work as a team, you typically always have an agent available to help you. Well, that's it for now. I hope this short video about the searching for a home and using the internet for your home search has been helpful. This is Tom Olszewski with Team Olszewski signing out. Remember, it's important who you work with.